Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2020 Ford Ranger, stock number 7213. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. Here's a P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine with about 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Good front 18-inch factory made tyre. Door no dents. No dents. Left rear 18-inch factory made tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory made tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory made tyre. Right front door curb. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen set in stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.